They navigated heavy equipment below the ocean surface. At 21 meters, they started to lose light, visibility, and color. At 38 meters, the water turned cold. At 50 meters, they started to feel the heat with only 10 minutes of shoot time. And at 52.1 meters, they finally conquered pressure to achieve greatness. The Titan 0 Hour Diver's Watch became a Guinness World Records holder for the deepest underwater product shoot ever. It was a triumph for a watch that survived the unknown and the people that took it there. The Titan 0 Hour Diver's Watch had survived extreme pressure tests in a lab. We wanted to test it for the pressures people feel underwater.
Before. What we were thinking, maybe at a Guinness Record depth.
And so it began. We measured the task ahead and got